Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter blog, and today I'm here with a new bullet journal video. So I know that February has already started, so I'm a little late to the party, but I decided that I wanted to make a little video because I felt like doing a themed month again. Obviously the February 14th is going to be Valentine's Day, so I thought it would be fun to incorporate that in my bullet journal somehow. Also, it's going to be my birthday on February 12th, so I felt like making this month a little bit more special than I normally would. First off, let me show you what I did for January. I still have to make my cover page, as you can see, but yeah, I haven't really been inspired for January yet. Oops. This is just my month at a glance and my brain dump. Week 1. Week 2, week 3, I love using these little die cuts in there. And week 4, I really love this one, especially the color. My old room back at my parents' is actually this color as well. Trying to do some little quotes. And then this is the current week, also again green, and I was actually thinking of recreating this banner idea because I quite liked it. So I'm going to start with my cover page. I will be filming and then I will probably just speed it through and you can just watch with me. I don't think I'm going to talk a lot. There'll just be music and I will speed it through, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
This is you ending fire, then we shall all burn together. Watch the flames climb high into the night, calling out Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. And if we should die, we should all die together. Raise a glass of wine for the last time, calling out Father, oh, prepare as we will watch the flames burn over and on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon